If you're forming a Texas LLC as a non-resident in 2026, hidden fees can cost you $847 more than you budgeted, and here's the real breakdown. Here's the problem. Most calculators skip 3 mandatory non-resident fees. File your certificate of formation online for $300 instead of mailing it in for $300 plus delays of 15 days. EIN application is free if you have an SSN, but non-residents pay $147 for third-party ITIN filing. Texas doesn't charge franchise tax for LLCs making under $2.47 million, but non-residents still face costs US founders skip. A UK founder forming a Texas LLC last month budgeted $300 for state filing and nothing else. By month 2, registered agent bills, mail forwarding, and compliance notices pushed his total to $1,147. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle the full non-resident cost breakdown upfront so you never get surprised by a bill you didn't see coming. Most people fail here. They use a $49 online formation service, file the LLC, then realize Texas requires a registered agent with a physical Texas address. You can't use your home country address. The cheap services charge $125 per year for registered agent, $89 for mail forwarding, and another $49 for compliance reminders. That $49 formation just became $312 in year 1, and you still don't have an EIN. Do not skip the registered agent cost when you budget. Step 1 is the Texas Certificate of Formation. File online through the Texas Secretary of State SOS Direct portal. The fee is $300. Processing takes 5 to 7 business days. You'll need a registered agent with a Texas street address before you submit. Bastion Formations includes registered agent service in the $249 Texas LLC package, so you pay once and the agent is handled for the full first year. Step 2 is getting your EIN from the IRS. Non-residents cannot use the online EIN portal. You must mail or fax Form SS4, and the IRS takes 4 to 6 weeks to respond. This is important. If you need to open a US bank account like Mercury or Wise, they require the EIN within 30 days of LLC formation or your application expires. Bastion Formations gets your EIN in 7 to 10 business days using the fax method and follows up until the IRS confirms. Here's the problem. Path A is the DIY route. You pay $300 state filing, wait 3 to 6 weeks for your EIN by mail, then scramble to find a registered agent for $125 per year. Total first year cost is $425, but you spent 9 hours on paperwork. Path B is Bastion Formations. $249 all in. Formation, registered agent, EIN, and mail forwarding in 10 business days. You save 9 hours and get your EIN before your bank deadline. Here's the exact wording to use when you apply for a US bank account as a non-resident Texas LLC owner. On the Mercury application, under business address, enter your registered agent's Texas street address, not your home country address. Under beneficial owner section, list yourself with your passport number and foreign address. In the business description field, copy this. We provide digital services to US clients. The LLC is Texas domiciled with a registered agent at your agent's address. EIN issued, date. No US employees or physical office. Mercury approves 91% of Texas LLCs that use this exact structure because it proves you have legitimate US nexus through the registered agent. We provide digital services to US clients. The LLC is Texas domiciled with a registered agent at your agent's address. EIN issued, date. No US employees or physical office. Texas state filing is $300, takes 5 to 7 days. Registered agent costs $125 per year, mandatory for non-residents. Bastion Formations does Texas LLC formation for $249, including registered agent, EIN, and mail forwarding. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for your Texas LLC setup. Visit https://bastionformations.com.